miles, there was a hidden village whose people held great pride in one tradition, and that was to dance. This village had a protector, a dragon, born from the fire of its people. Once a year, the villagers held a festival where they danced together in celebration of life. And then one day, a wandering stranger appeared. It was a mysterious woman wearing a huge sun hat that covered her face and robes made of material the villagers had never seen before. The dragon was weary and ready to strike at any moment it deemed the stranger to be a threat to the village. However, the dragon's heart was frozen the moment the woman started to sing along to the beat the villagers were dancing to. It was a sound nobody's ever heard before. The villagers all stunned in silence while the lady continued to produce a melody with just her voice. Lit in the dragon, for his desire to sing like her led him and everyone to a horrible demise. For the moment he opened his mouth to sing, a great gust of fire blew out and destroyed the village. The dragon was banished from the village until he could control his fire. So for the next 100 years, he traveled to new villages, just like the stranger. But he was ready to come back home. Today, he is back home and ready to show you all his new fire. This dragon's name, spoken by many, known by one. Soal. Look at my wrist, know that I'm blessed. Got the mug hanging down from my chest. Better side too when you see me come inside. Or the whole ground looking like a homicide. Look at my wrist, know that I'm blessed. Got the mug hanging down from my chest. Better side too when you see me come inside. Or the whole ground looking like a homicide. Got my Spanish baby, sometimes she a puta. But she smoking, so I call it little suicide. And she hoping that I don't leave for the moonlight. So don't worry, you won't be in my future. I'm that loud boy, I can be loud boy. Better look at me when you talking about boy. If you don't respect me, then you gon' get cowboy. Better do it now, boy. Don't turn my gun, boy. Oi, this in the game. Put some respect in my name. This is the family thing. Look at everything. Oi. This in the game, yeah. Put some respect in my name, yeah. This is the family thing, yeah. Put that on everything, look at my wrist, know that I'm blessed. Got the mug hanging down from my chest. Better side too when you see me come inside. Or the whole ground looking like a homicide. Look at my wrist, know that I'm blessed. Got the mug hanging down from my chest. Better side too when you see me come inside. Or the whole ground looking like a homicide.
Hello. Hello, hello. Nyajong, Sabaidee, Sawati Krab, Saksabai, Ola. I said Nyajong. I love you too. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me for the second time, Sabaidee Fest. And thank you all for coming back or being there first. Shout out to Gio. This is a lot bigger stage. It feels a lot better. We only go up from here, yeah? So, for this year, I am in my Loverboy era. So I kind of just wanted to be a simp for this set. Thank you for having my dance team. Nkauj Hmoob Tshwj Xeem. This song's called Loverboy. I just want one girl, I don't play no games. I'm telling you straight up, you can take my name. I'm no Casanova, I'm more like a soldier, fighting for my chance to make you feel the same. Do you love me, or do you love me not? Do you think I'm ugly, or do you think I'm hot? If you have nothing, could I be all you got? If there is something, could we tie the knot? Could you ever love a boy like me? You might be the one to give me what I need. I want romance, I want peace, serenity. Could you ever love a boy like me? Could you spend your whole summer just with me? We could lay all day on LED, and we stare into our eyes until we sleep. Could you ever love a boy like me? Like me. Yeah, sorry if I'm a little too pretty. I just like the bright side of the city. I just like to always find when you're with me. What's the point of being sad when we live it? Why we gotta act too hard? This ain't no Mario Kart. This ain't no get a head start. No stirring, no pot, no chicken, no plot, no. Baby girl, be the best for us. Baby girl, I need you like water. Wanna rip it off like a starter. Honey, can you be on top like matcha? If you fall down, girl, I gotcha. I need you every day like sriracha. Shake it up, cha-cha. Could you ever love a boy like me? You might be the one to give me what I need. I want romance, I want peace, serenity. Could you ever love a boy like me? Could you spend your whole summer just with me? We could lay all day on a melody, and we stare into our eyes until we sleep. Could you ever love a boy like me? Like me? Do you love me, or do you love me not? Do you think I'm ugly, or do you think I'm hot? If you have nothing, could I be all you got? If there is something, we tie the knot. So these were made by my dance moms of Nkauj Hmoob Tshwj Xeem. If you notice, it's a heart keychain. Half side is Hmong, half side is Lao. All about unity. Let's start with that, and then we keep going. Is that okay? Oh shoot! Hey, so it's kind of windy. See? You want one? Let's get it. Anybody else? You too. Thank you. I got 2 left. Thank you for accepting this heart.
I give somebody this rose? Hey, can you give it to him? Yeah, just give it to him. That man's loud. That's great. Can I get my towel? Oh yeah, I wanted to give this away. What am I doing? Can I get a towel? That's why I became a singer and not a MLB player. I don't understand aerodynamic. This song's called Hmong Girls. That's a song that Hmong Girls like. Hold on, can we stop this? Can you play? Yeah, that, what the? It was that one? Huh, we're missing the song to Hmong Girls. Okay.
Not young. Am I saying it right or I'm wrong? I'm just trying to get you along. Baby, can you dance to this song? Yeah, I know that I ain't saying it right, but I've been trying to talk to you all night. Your fair skin really glows in the light, and it's unfair that you wore what I like. You cast spells like a shaman do. I really can't take my eyes off you. The way you smile, it can make the noise like how'd you kill every dude in the room, yeah. This girl is pretty, I really am not steady. I might get silly if one dances with me. Come on, take one step forward if you want, then one step back just for fun. Then clap your hands, cause this one's for Hmong girls, pretty and grown girls, city to home girls, silly and strong girls. This one's for Hmong girls. Hey, 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 hey. This one's for Hmong girls. Good hookah, do you see me in your future? I don't ever wanna lose ya. God wants someone I kunya be kunya ka. I want you to be my baby. Will you be my lady? Kusanya ka, kusanya ka, kusanya ka, kusanya ka, kusanya ka. This one's a Hmong girl. Come on, take one step forward if you want, then one step back just for fun. Then clap your hands, cause this one's for Hmong girls, pretty and grown girls, city to home girls, silly and strong girls. This one's for Hmong girls. This one's for Hmong girls. You know you gotta go on. Go on.
a minute to introduce y'all to them? Can y'all come up? Come up. On the screen, I had the sponsors, because I wanted to thank the sponsors. We want to thank everybody that brought us here. This is Nkauj Hmoob Tshwj Xeem from Fresno. Thank you so much for having us, and thank you for everybody that believed in us. Thank you. I'm gonna post the pic, and then I'm gonna put the sponsors, everybody that helped, on there. It's supposed to be up there. Just know I tried. Do you remember that one song you accidentally played? We're gonna do that one. Give me a... So last year was the first time I ever did this for the first Sabaidee Fest, and it became viral, and then now I'm kind of stuck doing it. And so usually I'll always choose a random person. I'll choose a random person and serenade them on stage. But there's been somebody in particular. There's been somebody in particular that has been very loud on social media. So if we can welcome Treasure Mua to the stage, please. Thank you, brother. Okay. Hmong artist. Y'all might know her. Please take this seat. Whoa. I've never drank a... Okay. That's not water, by the way. Oh! I got one last heart. Every time I try to throw it far, it just won't go far. Let's have Treasure throw it. Y'all think this is hot? We about to get hotter. Let's go.
Tears keep falling every time I breathe. I can't get you out of my head. I'm not ready. Memories wake me every time I sleep. Times I think I'm better off dead. I miss the way you walk and the way you move. I'm searching for a sign of a good. Koibo, koibo, oh, baby, koibo, oh. I was such a fool, baby, I'm such a fool. I don't know what to do, baby, what should I do? If you're not here with me, and I still love you.
Picture perfect. You were everything that I ever dreamed of. Now I'm certain that I will never get back what used to be your love. But it was worth it. Even if I'm forever gonna be a star. Close the curtains, I'll still be sure I should be the one. 'Cause I don't like to live without the one who has my heart.
Tell me, where did we fall apart?
Okay, kid.
I miss the way you move.
I'm searching for a sign or a clue.
Koibo, koibo, oh, baby, koibo, oh.
Koibo, oh. I was such a fool, baby, I'm such a fool. I don't know what to do, baby, what should I do? I don't know, but if you're not here with me, and I still love you, I still love you. Kobo, ooh, baby, kobo, ooh. I was such a fool, baby, I'm such a fool. I don't know what to do, baby, what should I do? If you're not here with me, and I still love you.
She technically kicked me out of her house, if y'all seen that video. Thank you guys again so much for having me. Thank you, brother. I got one last song. Thank you for having me. I also got Golden Watt V-Sop. It's an alcoholic drink. It's a cognac. I would like to give this away. It's a bottle of alcohol, y'all. I don't drink alcohol, but I figured somebody can for me. Is that illegal? So this is my last song. What is this called? This song's not out yet, but this song's called Loud Girls. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, to work hard, none of them be key con. And it's so fine, shawty dripping like now. Body like water, straight from Mekong. Got my chest beating, strong as out of mine. Dancing on tables, getting drinks on. Shots from a navel, yelling murder. This how the oceans get in the club. All about Henny, all about love. I can't get enough of these girls. What would I do to work in my world? Probably nothing that's exciting. It's a damn shame, cause this one's loud girls, pretty and proud girls, straight from the south girls, and holding it down girls. This one's a loud girls. America, 성야서 정파, 나다 적은 안파. I'm knowing I find America, 성야서 정파, 나다 적은 안파. The way you're fun, I'm gon' spend some money on that. I'm gon' spend some money on that. I'm gon' spend some money on that. Cause imagine if I never knew about you girls. It's like a world with no flowers. You in the rain to my sunshine. When I'm salty, you my white rice. I can't get enough of these girls. What would I do to work in my world? Probably nothing that's exciting. It's a damn shame, cause this one's a loud girls, pretty and proud girls, straight from the south girls, and holding it down girls. This one's a loud girls. I see you, Kylie. I see you. I'll come home to you. This one's a knowing I find you America. 성야서 정파, 나다 적은 안파. Alright, I want everybody to put their hands in the air. And I want you to pinch your fingers like this. And I want you to follow me, okay? Twirl your hands like this. And twirl your hands like that. And twirl your hands like this. And rock and move them hips. Now come and follow me. Come and follow me. Come and follow me. 'Cause this one's for loud girls, pretty and proud girls, straight from the south girls, and holding it down girls. This one's for loud girls. Have fun in America. Sometimes I'll jump out. Not that y'all couldn't fall. This one's for some knowing boy. Have fun in America. Sometimes I'll jump out. Not that y'all couldn't fall. This one's for loud girls.
Can one of y'all grab your phones? Can we take a picture with the crowd? So, before we leave, I started this story about a dragon. Let me first take a bow with my team. Go, won't you sing from Fresno? So this story is about a dragon that has come back to a village that holds a tradition of dancing, singing, and life. And this village is called Sabaidee Fest. Go ahead, come up here, Gus. Come up here, Kevin, come on. I want to give these little dragons away. I know you're crying, I got you. You want it? I didn't forget you, thank you for wearing my shirt. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Shout out to my boy John on the videography. Shout out to my best friends Kaiser and Mark for coming through. Shout out to Holy for always holding it down. Shout out to security. Shout out to staff. Thank you so much, y'all. Soak it in, girl!